What's up, guys? This is Bill. Today I'm going to show you just a quick little installation guide. Trying to help a few people out. Right now the only video I can find is on Sling Mod's channel. This is what we're going to be doing is this guy. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. So if you look right here on the Ryker, you can see there is a spot for a parking brake lock, but it does not come with one installed. Okay, Sling Mods makes one. I have that here. It's going to come in a box like this. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below the video. You can get this on Sling Mods for $25. It's going to come with 2 screws. It's going to be in a bag. Comes with 2 keys. Okay. It's going to come with 2 of these little screws. And the tumbler. Okay, and it is, so that would be, this would be locked. This would be unlocked. Okay, what you're going to need is a center punch. We're going to make a notch and make a little dot in the center of that on the bike, and then we're going to use a 1-inch step drill bit and use the circle that's already there as our guide. We're going to pull that air box off with the 2 clips underneath. Then we need a T30 torque screw underneath there, and we'll pull up on that. We'll drill our hole. We'll get to the two spots where the screws go in. We'll put a little blue Loctite on them. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, let's come over here. We're going to turn these handlebars, get them up out of our way. And mark this with the center punch. Punch a hole. Right there. There we go. Okay, 2 clips down below. Come off from the very back of it. Whole box comes off. Set this where you're not going to scratch it up. Right in here is where you're going to see a T30 torque screw that will let you lift this up. And T30 torques. Pull that off of there. Before you start drilling, okay, set that aside. So that gives you access to lift this up and pull it away from the plastic that's back here, because you don't want to drill into it when you cut this hole out. And we're going to cover this air box. We're going to cover the air vent up. We're going to cover this air vent up right here while we drill that hole. Okay, so you should just be able to stuff a rag in there. Okay. You do not want any of this plastic going in there, because now you're past your filter. Okay. We're now going to lift this guy up. We're just drilling out exactly where those lines are. So I'm using a 1-inch step drill bit. Okay, making sure that I'm not poking nothing in the back. hole. Okay, remember, whatever that hole looks like, that's what you're going to see, so you want it to be as clean as you could possibly get it. There's a little bit of a lip back behind there when you use that step drill bit, because that step drill bit's going to come in at an angle. As long as it looks nice and clean, you're golden. Yeah, let me grab a little piece of sandpaper and just file there, or maybe a little round file. Got a little round file here, just to clean up that back edge. Okay, so I'll show you guys up close what this looks like. Okay, so you can see there, I might take a little fine grit sandpaper and twirl it around in there a couple times. That hole nice and clean. Your lock is going to fit back behind here. You can see there's where the tumbler is going to stick through. If you lift it up, you'll see those two screw holes. Okay, that's where it's going to sit and line up with those two on there. Okay, so you're going to fit it behind there. You're going to make sure that you can get a key in there. Okay, it's going to sit, the whole thing's going to sit behind there. So you don't want this hole bigger than this lip. You just want to be able to get a key in there. Okay, so let's get it all together. Okay, so we're going to get this guy back down here. And the two little screws that it comes with are two little 8mm screws. You're going to lift up just a little bit, enough to get it in there. And you can stick one of the keys in it and hold it in place. Okay, so you can stick one of these keys in there. That'll give you a way to hold it in place. There are two screws with the little bolts that it comes with, and they are an 8mm head on them. So we're going to put a drop of Loctite on the very tip of the threads here. Okay, so now we've applied our blue Loctite to the threads on the screw, and we're just going to get this guy in here as best we can, get it started. Same with the other one. A little piece of sand right there. Okay, they should not be hard to thread in at all. Put the key anymore. want to get them down snug without doing that. Be very careful. Don't scratch your plastic up. Okay, there we go. Now we'll put our 30 Torx bit back in. Okay, just line that keyhole up. Put your 30 Torx back in. Okay. Make sure you've gotten rid of all that plastic. You'll see you have a nice, clean, beveled hole. There's your lock. Unlock. Remember, you can push that e-brake past that lock, so you want to bring it back just a little bit. Okay, now it's locked. Now it's unlocked. Okay, so we now have a locking e-brake. Okay, so get your airbags box back on. Set it up on here, and then you're gonna make sure there's these two latches I was talking about down here. Okay, you can see one right there and one right there. Okay, just pull straight down. There you go. So this is unlocked. And then you can see your tumbler that comes out. So you now have a key lock. So you'll push this, lock it. There you go. Okay, the bike is now locked up. It cannot be rolled away. So there's what I was saying. You can see the little. So obviously, inside there, take a little sandpaper and take the time. I'll take this back apart and go back in there with some sandpaper, because I'm anal about stuff. But use some sandpaper, get that hole looking a little cleaner. You can see how it lines up on there. Like I was saying, take your time with that step bit. Put the lock behind there, see if your hole needs to be bigger or not. Okay, if you take your time and do it right, and from one foot away, it looks extremely clean. You cannot tell that it is even a modification, because the Ryker even has the marks here, lock and unlock. So there you go. It's my 2019 Can-Am Ryker, and that is how you install the parking brake lock from Sling Mods. As of right now, they're the only ones that sell it that I know of. There'll be a link in the description below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Peace.